if someone asks you, how are you? How are you? How are you? You can tell him, I am good.
I am good.
I am good.
I am good.
I am fine.
I am fine.
I am fine.
I am fine.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
Yes, if you want to eat, you can say, I am hungry. I am hungry. And if you want to drink water, yes, you can say, yes, water. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Thirsty. I want to drink. I want to drink. Okay. I am over the moon. I am over the moon. I'm very, very, very happy. I am over the moon. I am over the moon. I am sad.
I am sad.
I am sad.
I am sad.
I'm not so good. I'm not so good. I'm wonderful.
Wonderful.
I'm wonderful.